Kia ora, and welcome to Crystal Timesheets. You can download the Crystal Payroll app to your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. When you open the app, you can choose your login portal. In this case, select Employee. You will be redirected to a page where you can use the login details given to you by your employer. Once you are logged in, you will see up to 3 options: timesheet, allowances, and leave request. You can also navigate around by using the 3 horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner of the page. If you want to begin submitting your hours, select Timesheet. Along the top of the page, you will see the current period. The current period does not limit your data entry in any way, but is rather an indication of what period your employer is currently in the process of completing. If you want to begin entering hours, select the plus icon in the top right-hand corner of the page. Tap the date field, then select the date that you worked. Enter your start and finish time. Tap the break field to enter your unpaid break for those hours. Hit save. When you select the plus icon again, the system will roll over to the next date to speed up your data entry. If you want to edit the hours you entered for a date, then you can do so by tapping the underlined date next to the day. If you want to delete the hours for a date, then tap the rubbish bin icon on the right-hand side of the entry. You can view more details of an entry by selecting the arrow to the left of the entry. If you want to enter your last period's timesheets again, or if you want to enter your default working hours into the timesheet, then you can select the upload icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Select your desired choice and then apply. If you are happy with your hours, you can tap the email button down the bottom of the page. The last thing to know about timesheet entry is that if you did not work a public holiday, but you want to be paid for a public holiday, then don't enter in anything. Your employer will handle who gets a public holiday and who does not. That's about all you need to know about timesheet entry. If you want to submit leave requests, head over to the leave request page. From this page, you can see your available balance along the top of the page. If you want to submit a request, then select the plus icon in the top right-hand corner of the page. Tap and select the leave type you wish to request. You may tap whether you want to request for 1 day or a partial day off, or if you want to request a period of time away. Note that if you do not have default hours, then you cannot use the second option. Request the period of time or the specific hours, and then hit save. You can edit the entry that you have just put forward by tapping the date to the left of the request. You can delete the entry that you have put forward by hitting the rubbish bin icon to the right of the entry. You cannot change or delete an entry if it has already been accepted. Don't forget, you can see more information by tapping the arrow to the left of the entry. You can email the request by hitting the email icon down the bottom of the page. We have covered the basics for submitting timesheets and leave requests into the system. If you do get stuck at all, be sure to let your manager or payroll administrator know.